Can you all see the first page of the workbook? All of you, chapter 4. Students. Okay. Now this page we had already done yesterday. Now in case if anybody had left out something on this page, or if you were absent yesterday and this page work is left, then you can take the screenshot. I'll wait for a moment. Taken the screenshot. Require this page, anybody? Okay, I'm turning the page. Can you see the second page? Okay. So, this is your today's work. You will write the remaining 3 MCQs from this page, and there are 17 blanks on this page and 2 more on the other page. Fill in the blanks ये page पे खत्म नहीं होते. Right? So today you will start writing the remaining MCQs and fill in the blanks. And as soon as you complete, I'll turn the page. आज 2 pages करने हैं. Because only this much, then the speed will be very less. बहुत जल्दी करने के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ. डोंट इवन स्पॉइल योर हैंड राइटिंग. आराम से लिखो, बट डोंट राइट सो स्लोली, बिकॉज एज पर दिस टारगेट वी हैव टू कंप्लीट द नेक्स्ट पेज ऑल्सो. कैन यू ऑल सी दिस पेज? एनीथिंग टू आस्क? एनीबडी? एनीथिंग टू आस्क? ओके, यू कैन स्टार्ट द राइटिंग वर्क. एंड इन बिटवीन अगर ऐसा है कि कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है चैप्टर में से, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन आस्क. ओके, चलो स्टार्ट राइटिंग. Okay, so now I think all of you have completed this page. Shall I turn the page? Okay, here comes the next page. There are only 2 blanks remaining on this page. Then the next question is true or false. Again, we are not going to write the whole instructions. Put a tick mark in the box. कुछ नहीं लिखना है. Just give the title true or false. And I think you very well know how to write it. Since last 3 chapters we are doing the same thing. So here also write the sentence. Put a tick if it is true. And if it is false, then write the correct statement also. India was divided into many small and large parts at the end of the 6th century. False. और correct क्या है? 7th century. So you need to write the false statement, put a cross mark and then write the correct statement also, as you already know. पहली बार तो हम कर नहीं रहे. Okay. Similarly, the last question is match the following. Again, we will not draw lines 1A, 2B, 3C नहीं करेंगे. Number 1, मिहिर बोझ डैश करके प्रतिहार. Second, बोझ डैश परमार. Third, सेतुंगवन डैश चेरा. 4, पुलकेशितु डैश चालुक्य. Correct answer itself. Okay, and in match the following also don't write the whole sentence, just write match the columns and you can start writing. Okay, anything you have to ask? Anybody? Any query? Yes. Anything else to ask in this page? 2 blanks, true or false, match the following. Any doubts? Okay, now listen, you have only 4 minutes left, 5 minutes are left. So if you want, you can take the screenshot. बहुत ज़्यादा work है नहीं इस page में. So I think that sharing the same page in the next lecture will waste your time and my time also. So take the screenshot. Till the lecture is going on, you can write. When the lecture gets completed, write from the screenshot. Next lecture, I will directly share the next page. Am I very clear, all of you? Yes. Okay, chalo. Continue writing.